This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and we're talking about getting your dryer to work better. So we're trying to get people not to use this type of product, these anti-static sheets. They have like a waxy coating, and that waxy coating gets on two places that can mess up your dryer. One is on your filter. This one looks okay, but sometimes you see a big accumulation. And the other, though, is on the moisture sensor. I'm going to clean it here on this model. These two metal things in the back are the moisture sensor. Sometimes they're actually right here, and some models don't really even utilize it, but these get covered in that waxy coating and they can't sense any longer the moisture. You can use alcohol to clean it off. I'm using abrasion. You want to get those nice and clean, and it's better to use different products for the anti-static. They're kind of like tennis balls, and they don't ruin your dryer.
Here's an example of the dryer balls. They look kind of like a tennis ball, and most stores sell these. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance.